Welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques and shortcuts and many more. In today's video, we'll continue learning how to use seed numbers in checking answers, this time in multiplication. If you haven't watched our video on understanding seed numbers, pause the video and check out the link in the description box. Here's the problem. Is 489 times 276 equal to 134,964? Let's find out together. First step, find the seed numbers of the numbers in the equation. The seed number of 489 is 3. The seed number of 276 is 6. Next step, due to the seed numbers what you do to the numbers in the equation, in this case, multiply. 3 times 6 equals 18. In case the product of the seed number is in 2 or more digits, get its seed number until you get a single digit. So the seed number of 18 is 0. Now let's check if the answer is correct by equating the derived seed number with the seed number of the answer. And the seed number of 134,964 is also 0, which means that the two seed numbers equate, therefore the answer is correct. 489 times 276 is equal to 134,964. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.